You hit a pipe, it looks like.
What? Oh. No.
What did you do? I don't know. It looks like you hit a pipe. Is it leaking?
No. It might be just some wood.
Yes, most likely just some wood, since there's a tree right there. Fine. You're good. You just killed it. You killed the tree.
It's not gonna fit in there.
No, it fit.
No, I don't think that's something real. Just get right here.
It's even closer to the tree.
There, no roots.
Okay, that was just luck. That was just luck. There.
I'm gonna get it. There's space over here. There. Hole.
Oh, look.
Hole.
Wait, did you just
Yep.
put it in here?
Sure did. I just went like this. I just came over here and just went.
Like that?
Mhm.
That's not 3 steps away. I can tell just by looking at that one.
Oh.
I'm very
Okay.
cautious about that stuff.
Okay, just cover that one up. That one never happened. There's one right there.
Right. It has the triangle of place.
Oh. I hit something hard.
I can't.
Okay, there's something hard there. I can't get that one. Here's one. Oh, that one might be too deep. Ah. Do you see that one right there? One right here. Yep.
Wait, where's the other one?
It's should be around where you are. Yep. Ow.
Boom.
Oh my gosh.
Success.
Succeeding at life.
Oh, you have one?
I put it somewhere. It's somewhere. Forget it.
Oh. That's right.
Forget about it.
Forget about it. You're just putting it on that hill.
Yes.
The hill of despair and torture.
And there's a big hole right there.
Oh, isn't that the one that was stepped in though?
No. I think yours like just fit the big old.
It's gonna have roots like going into this hole here. Like,
It's gonna look. Oh. You need help?
I'm fine.
Oh my gosh.
Maybe we should get the leaves out of there.
Why?
Like warn people that there's a hole.
I don't want to. Maybe.
And then you can be that person.
What, the person that falls?
Yeah.
Oh.
There, that's better. Like,
Ow.
yeah. It's deeper. I'm just standing on a whole bunch of leaves right now.
My glass is starting to fog up.
Ooh, yay.
What? Oh. I just don't want my GoPro to get dead.
Wait,
So-
what, man?
Yep. 'Cause I don't have the waterproof back on it.
Don't you have one though?
Yep, I didn't bring it. I should have.
Why wouldn't you bring the waterproof thing to camp?
I don't know.
Where you would need it?
I know, I thought of it just as we left. I was like, oh my gosh, what if it rains really hard? And I have the GoPro.
There's a 99% chance of rain.
On Friday there was.
Yeah.
Oh, look, a hill. We're chilling.
Oh.
Uh,
Oh. I might be able to do it. Come on. Come on. Ow.
are you okay?
I just got bit.
Double.
So,
One right there. And one right here. One right there. One right here.
At least 3 steps away.
Yes. one over here. Is it getting not heavier?
That's fine. Yeah, it is.
This one right here.
You mean it's getting lighter?
Yes, not heavier. Not heavier.
It's getting not heavier. We found the treasure.
We did it. We're rich now.
It's just the buried mine.
You say the buried mine?
Yes.
Did you? There's one out there.
Oh.
No, this one's too close.
Yeah. We'll go for this one. Look at this. Look at this. We don't have enough space on the floor.
There's gonna be one right here.